Hi Rob. How are you?
I'm pretty buzzed right now.
Are you drunk?
Sure.
I might be.
You might be?
Might be.
God damn.
See this?
Yeah.
It's birdseed.
Birdseed.
See this?
Ice cream.
See these balls? Frozen balls.
Hairy frozen balls.
Yes. See these? Frozen dicks.
Frozen dick. Oh. I don't know about all that.
Frozen cum.
Whoa.
It's all Niddle stash.
Niddle, you sick bastard. How dare you bring frozen cum to a party?
Wasn't I supposed to?
In Ohio, they gave a guy a blowjob.
Whoa, what?
And then she spit it into ice trays and
Sweet.
froze it.
Woo!
And then a couple years later, inserted it and made a baby.
Woo!
And then took the guy to court and got child support.
That'll work. From this
Like to
special.
think that your shit don't stink, but a little closer, it's smell like oh.
Ah!